sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another creative. Today we're doing a live copy for Supreme Week 14. This is the TNF collaboration, but honestly, I don't feel like spending $300 to $400 on TNF. Today we are going to be going for a piece that I really am a fan of, and it is that Dashes hoodie. I feel like that one is a banger, and honestly, I wouldn't mind having that or that Paisley camp cap. I feel like I have a lot of hats at this point, and I always end up wearing this LA hat, which I do need new hats. If you guys know where I can buy some fire ones, let me know in the comments below. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. It definitely means a lot. I appreciate you guys so much. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, man. Thank you for always coming back and supporting the channel. It means more than you can ever imagine when you guys do so. I don't want to talk your heads off. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. At this point, it's 10:59 a.m. and honestly, there's nothing much you could do at 10:59 besides refresh here and there. I was in the sweatshirts tab, so I'm trying to see what's going on with the hoodie. It's 11 a.m. at this point and it's not even refreshing, so the shit is stuck. I'm like, bro, what the fuck is going on? And I have no other choice but to wait. I start trying to refresh. I open a new tab and go to the Supreme website once again, and it's not even loading up, as you guys can see right here. So I'm like, bro, I'm about to take this L. Shit about to be tragic. Go back to the other tab and it's still not doing shit. Literally, I'm just trying to refresh and buy this damn hoodie. Right here you can see that it loaded up. I go on the hoodie and I go to my size, which is still a XL kinda. Click the checkout button and I'm paying with Apple Pay. Literally within seconds, I put the passcode in and it starts processing my payment. I'll show the processing part at the bottom. Pretty much it takes like about 5 to 10 seconds on this little processing screen. After a little while, you can see that I did cook up on the Dashes wall hoodie in the size XL. I'm actually really excited to go ahead and show you guys this item. I might even do a review for this piece. I feel like this is one of the more fire hoodies that they've released in these past seasons. If you go ahead and open the hoodie in detail, you can see a bunch of little images which are sick. Like I was talking about in the drop list, there's actually a part of it that shows the old Jordan retro cards. If you guys used to buy retros back in the day, you know what I'm talking about. It does have the retro card on there. On the back of it, you got like Trump's face with the face cut off or some shit like that. It got like the newspaper tabloid of when Kobe was calling 911. There's a bunch of little details on this hoodie that makes it fire, and then the branding on the front is a small old English font. Beautiful. I'm not even gonna lie, that's 100% my cup of tea. And I do have a pair of sneakers on the way, which I feel like this hoodie's gonna look fire with, and I will show you that in the upcoming week or something like that when I do another unboxing. Honestly, this video was really short, but if y'all enjoyed this one, man, slap a fat like on it down below. You already know what to do, man. Subscribe to the channel. It definitely does mean a lot, and click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. Like I was saying before, the hoodie is a banger. I know that this one's gonna go up in resale value. I think there's actually a couple sizes sitting, like the medium and the large, if I'm not mistaken. But hey, once these sell out and people realize what these are or see people wearing them, these are gonna go up. Mark my word on that. Banger hoodie. I wouldn't have wanted this week to go any other way. I feel like TNFs are cool and shit, but I wasn't trying to spend $400 to $500 on a jacket this week. That just didn't make sense. So I did end up going for this hoodie, which is still reasonably expensive, but I feel like I wear more hoodies than I do jackets in the first place. I am a fan of it. If you guys did enjoy, you know what to do, man. I'm not even gonna talk your head off. With all that being said, man, I think I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.